Imagine yourself in this 2010 Holden Commodore. You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.